The basic question is, what is monochromatic light? Monochromatic light is nothing but the single wavelength light. Then what are the types of chromators? There are two types. One is prism and second is grating. Now we will see the basic working principle of UV spectrophotometer. There are three major parts of it. First one is light source, second is sample compartment, and third is detector. First part is light source. Deuterium lamp and the tungsten lamp is used for UV and halogen is used for visible light. Second is sample compartment. In sample compartment there are two holders. One sample cell holder and another is reference cell holder. The path length of the cell is 1 cm. Generally, the cuvettes are made by the quartz material. Third component is detector. There are two types of detectors, photomultipliers and silicon photodiodes. The light beams that passes through the sample compartment enter the detector, which is the last element in the spectrometer. Photomultipliers and the silicon photodiodes are the typical detectors which are used in spectrometer for the ultraviolet and visible regions. In qualitative analysis, we have to scan the substance solution over the range of UV to find out the lambda max of the substance, which is nothing but the maximum wavelength. Whereas in quantitative analysis, we have to find out absorbance of substance at particular wavelength. The assay of the substance is the sample will be found out based on the reference solution. What is lambda max? Lambda max is the wavelength at which the maximum fraction of light is absorbed by a solution. Lambda is a Greek letter that scientists use as the symbol for the wavelength, as we all know. Then we will see the advantages of the UV spectrometers. UV spectrometers are valuable because they can analyze substances quickly. And again, these are not difficult to use. A spectrum can provide valuable information about the sample and its components. Spectrometer brings high-tech spectral analysis to the food industry, where they help laboratory technicians study products. UV spectrometers is used in all forensic analysis, research and medicine. But it has some disadvantages, which we will discuss. When the dust and lower quality mirrors are used as a double beam UV spectrometer, the device's performance degrades. Repair costs can be double. Because they work as a pair, you must replace both the mirrors. If outside light interferes with inside UV light, it decreases an instrument's linearity range and reduces the absorbency of the substance it measures. Electronic components in the spectrometer or sample source may also be generate noise that decreases the measurement accuracy and reduces the device's sensitivity. Thank you. Thank you for watching it. If you like these videos and would like to get informed about the future pharmaceutical training lectures, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Assura Pharma Training Institute. Thank you.